All right, let's get started on these amazing keto style onion rings. They are sweeping the internet. They are delicious. They are amazing. Even if you're not doing keto, you want to make these because they are so good. So I've got two medium white onions I've peeled, and now I'm just using my mandolin, and on number two, I'm just slicing them up. And once I get these sliced up, I'm going to bring out my cookie sheet. I've already laid down some parchment paper. I've got some shredded Parmesan cheese. And they say, don't bother wasting your money on expensive shredded Parmesan cheese. Use the cheap stuff. So I bought a bag at the grocery store of pre-shredded. And I'm just going to put a nice layer down, nice and thick like that. And then we're going to come with our onion slices. And we're just going to set them in there with a little bit of space in between each one, so when it comes time to separate them, it won't be that difficult. So I'm just going to try and go as uniform as I can. There are different sizes of the onions, so just kind of take your time and just lay them right on top. So all you're going to do is just set them right on top. So while I'm doing that, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell your friends and family all about the show. Put a new video out every Wednesday and every Sunday. And I hope you're enjoying them as much as I am making them. And if you could leave a comment and even hit that hype button, I hear that helps the channel grow as well. Alright, so we're just about done with getting all of our onions on top of the Parmesan cheese. So once we do that, we're going to come back with a little bit of olive oil, and we're just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on each onion. And as soon as we do that, the only other seasoning I'm using is a little bit of fresh black ground pepper. Some people put garlic, paprika, all kinds of things on these. I want more of the flavor of the onion, so I'm just going to do just a little black pepper on top, just like that. And then I'm going to finish off with a little bit more Parmesan cheese on top. Not too much, just a little bit, just to kind of hold everybody in place while we put it in the oven. And I've got my oven preheated already at 400 degrees. That's the temperature you want, 400 degrees. So once we get a little coating right there of the rest of the parm, we're going to pop this in the oven for between 18 and 19 minutes at 400 degrees. What I did about halfway through, I went in and just rotated my sheet around and put it back in. So I don't know, it all depends on how your oven is. So while those are cooking, I made a real nice sauce. I did a tablespoon of dill relish, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and a nice squirt of sriracha. I really like this new Tabasco flavor sriracha. It's really good. Give it a try. And we're just going to give that a real good mix. And now we're going to have a real nice, tasty dipping sauce for these onion rings. Just an option. So out of the oven they come, and look at that. They're bubbling. They look delicious. So now we got to let them sit for probably 10 minutes. Let them cool down so they crisp up a little bit. And then we're going to get the, I'm going to use my pizza slicer, my pizza roller slicer, and just cut these into chips basically, or onion rings. And then I'll plate them up, serve them with the sauce, and you have a delicious way to make onion rings without the batter and the hot oil and the frying and all that. So if you're on keto, these are fantastic. If you're not on keto, these are fantastic. I'm telling you, it's easy to make. There's not a mess in the kitchen. You don't heat your whole house up trying to fry things. Give these a shot. they are fantastic. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.